so late.
Listen, I'll have to call you later. I'm sorry. The kids are so much in rush, and community members are already in action, and they cannot wait to make a difference now. So yeah. Talk soon. Bye bye. Yeah.
Mom, we made a promise at school to help out in the community. I can't wait to get involved today. Let's go.
Yes, that's wonderful. But before we start, we have to make sure your hands are safe. So you have to wear these pair of gloves and give one to your sister also. Chalo. Hold on, Kavya. The plastic waste goes in the blue bin.
Why? A bin is a bin, Mom.
Not exactly, sweetheart. There are two dustbins here, each with a different color and for a different purpose.
Yes, one is blue and the other one is green.
Yes, my sweetheart. So, tell me, where do you think the dried leaves that you're holding will go?
In the green bin, right, Mom?
Absolutely correct. Go throw it. Come here. Listen up. The green bin is for all the dried leaves, fruit peels, vegetable waste, and all other kind of organic waste.
And what about the blue bin?
The blue bin is for plastic, metal, glass, and paper. Hold on, Kavya, hold on. Come. We should wrap sharp items like glass, nails, needles in a paper or a cloth first before throwing it away to protect our sanitation workers from getting injured. Now go throw it.
Wow, we never thought of that. Thank you for teaching us, Mom. But Mom, how can we manage waste by putting it in separate bins?
Good question, Kavya. So when we separate waste, it becomes easier to manage. The waste in the blue bin goes for recycling and new products are made out of it. Do you know what happens to the waste in the green bin? No? The waste in the green bin is converted to compost, which is later added to the soil and it helps our plants grow better.
That's amazing. What if all the things we throw away could be recycled or reused?
Absolutely. If we could do that, we'll be able to generate very little waste and we'll be able to keep our surroundings clean and healthy.
That's a great way to manage waste, Mom.
Absolutely, Vita.
But do we only clean the campus during Swachhata Pakhwada?
What do you think, Nikhil, about this?
We shall clean our society, home, and school every day.
Absolutely. Swachhata Pakhwada is just a reminder. But cleanliness is something that should be practiced all year round. Come, let's go now.
Mom, look, so much waste is piled up.
I know. Have you ever thought how much waste do we create through our daily activities?
Daily activities? From now on, we'll be more mindful about creating waste. Yes, Mom.
Very good, my children. Swachhata is everyone's responsibility. Together, we can keep our surroundings clean and healthy. It should not only be practiced during Swachhata Pakhwada only, but every day. Let's go.